Guys, today's video I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to create a Tinder account without your phone number. So once you tap onto your application and launch it, you will see a page like this. Here's how I continue with Google. Likewise, it'll give you a list of all the Google accounts that you have in your device. All you have to do is select a specific one. And likewise, as you can see that you have to provide your phone number. If you try to skip it, you will not be able to create an account. In case you do not want to simply, give out your information like phone number, there are also sites that will offer some free phone number for a couple minutes. You may go ahead and search for a free phone number in your browser and then simply paste the phone number right here. Then select next and then follow the on-screen prompt, and then you will be able to create yourself a Tinder account. So guys, these are the process for doing it. Thank you for watching.